smoke. I'm telling you, man, the smoke's driving me nuts. Oh, it's a good drink. It's a good drink. So, like you didn't know, I don't know if you could see in the picture or not. Man, right in the eyes. I am sitting in the back of my garage, out in the back of the woods here, doing this vlog and cooking a steak and having a drink on Saturday night. Why not, you know? It just makes it more fun, I think. And that flame is going right at me. Wow. The steak is still cooking. Oh, it's definitely getting smoked. I don't know if you see my rig here. I've got a block of wood here and a block of wood over there, and then I've got a top of a grill that I made that I'm going to use for all my cooking. And so it's sitting across there, and it's working good. Yeah. I won't be blinded by the smoke. So it's probably going to be a little different video for you guys than what you normally see in the motorcycles and camping, and a little bit of an adventure. This is more of a laid back, relaxed vlog. Something you guys can sit back and hang out with me. I definitely want to do more things outside, not just on the motorcycle. I want to do more camping, more trail riding, and definitely more cooking outside. I want to cook on the fire a lot more, especially a campfire like this right here, man. Open flame. This is my type of cooking. Bam. And the smoke. I picked the wrong side. Yeah, nice and cool. It's probably, I don't know, I'd say it's probably 30 degrees out. Maybe even colder. Might be high 20s. Well, no, it's probably 30s. Right at 30 or so. Because everything's still wet. It hasn't froze up yet. Oh, man. Right in the eyes. Again, you're going to hear me complaining about smoke in the eyes the entire video. Whew. And I'll tell you what, this is, right here is what it's all about. Being able to get out here and relax, kick back in by a campfire, and have a drink, and cook a real nice steak. Oh man, right in the eyes again. think I'm gonna have to move. Uh, this is what it's about. This is what I love. You know, all the adventures that we do, me and Tanner and Phil, I absolutely love them. I love everything there is about it. But the best part to me with Phil and Tanner is hanging out around the campfire, kicking back, cooking, you know, having our drinks. To me, that's what it's all about. I love doing that. Except for smoke. I know. I think you've heard enough. There's plenty of smoke, man. Oh, oh, jeez. Oh, it's coming right at me. It won't leave me alone. Oh, I better cook. I better turn the steak. Oh, yeah, that was right in the eye. Right in the eye, that one. Oh, oh, wow. All right, we're going to turn it. Okay. All right, got the fire set better. The steak should be cooking a lot better. Yeah. Oh man, these are good. Right there. I'll say it again, Club Tails. Sex on the Beach. They need to sponsor me. 10% alcohol. That's good stuff right there. Tanner, we need to get them sponsored. Yeah, this is what it's all about, guys. You know, all the riding, just all the different stuff, the day-to-day activities, work, just everything. Right here is where it all just floats away. It's just a campfire and a nice tasty drink, and just makes it all worth it. Yeah, I had deer out here earlier. When I was getting set up, I had some deer coming over the hill from me. Oh, man. What the heck? Oh. Oh, this crazy fire. Yeah, this is what I love to do. You know, the cooking and the cooking on the campfire is something that I thoroughly enjoy. And I hope to do a lot more of that this year. You guys are going to see some really good recipes that I'm working on. I gotta actually do my homework, you know. Get some good recipes together. I know Tanner and Phil, you know, like to eat. I swear Tanner, everything goes to in his legs. It's gotta go. I don't know where else it goes. Love you, Taylor. I mean, if you guys don't know who I'm talking about, Attention Deficit in Sickle, Ohio. If you guys are not subscribed to them, go subscribe. Really good guys. Yeah, Tanner's getting like 30,000 now, or getting close to 30,000. We're going to have a bash for him, man. I've been wanting to do something for him, and love that kid to death. Same way with Phil, Sickle, Ohio. Both those guys are extremely talented. Their editing skills and vlogging skills is far exceeds mine. I'm terrible on camera. Seems like nothing ever comes out right. I talk in circles. But hey, I have fires and I cook out and drink tasty drinks, so I don't know. Got something, I guess, to add to the table. And I can wheelie a little bit. So the steak, oh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. That's looking good right there. Right there. Woo. That's going to be tasty. So I figure what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here and cook this steak and relax. Once the steak is done, I'll show you guys the done steak. And oh, I can smell it. I can smell the steak. Once it's done, and I'll show you guys and let you drool over the steak for a little bit, and then I'll probably call it a night after I drink my drinks and eat my steak. I'm just not. I just don't want to bore you with a long video of nothing and me sitting here feeding my face and getting drunk in front of you. Well, not getting drunk, but definitely getting buzzed on these drinks. I'll post the pictures of the steak on the video so you guys can see that how delicious it looks. Delicious. Really think the steak is done. Really think it is. I think we're gonna eat it. I think it's time to eat. Oh, that's warm. That's warm. There it is. There it is. Oh, I don't want to. There you go. Oh, ow, that's hot. That looks so good. Yum, yum, yum. Oh. It's definitely warm. Whew. Oh my God. You don't understand how tasty this is. Oh. Oh my gosh. Alright, I gotta put my light down. My light's gonna mess me up. Oh. Oh my God. Ugh. Unbelievable. Unbelievable how delicious this is. Oh, there goes the fire. Oh. Oh. Mm. Oh my God. So delicious. Wow. I'm telling you, there's something. Well, oh, mm. There's something about a steak cooked over an open fire like this. Mm. It's delicious.